Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Countryman hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a click as the hood unlatches slightly. This action releases the main catch, allowing you to access the secondary safety latch at the front of the car. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Now move to the front of your Mini Countryman. The hood will be slightly ajar. Look underneath the front edge, right above the grille. You're searching for the secondary safety latch. This is a crucial step for safe opening. It's usually a small lever or tab that you'll need to push or pull to fully release the hood. Take your time to locate it carefully.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: is your car smelling a bit less than fresh? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for keeping your ride smelling great. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once you've found and engaged the secondary latch, gently lift the hood. It should now swing open completely. Many Mini Countryman models have a prop rod to hold the hood securely in place. Locate this rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay, and insert it into the designated slot. This ensures the hood stays open safely while you work. Sometimes the hood might not unlatch on the first try. If this happens, check for any debris or obstructions around the latch area. A stiff latch can often be resolved with a little lubricant. Also, make sure you're pulling the primary release lever inside the car all the way. A full, firm pull is essential for the mechanism to engage correctly. Don't force anything. Gentle persistence usually works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.